It is often said that good persons do not survive in this planet for a long time. Well, we do not know whether this is true or not, but this is absolutely true that Sushant was unique. His uniqueness knew no bounds. Acting was just a little part of Sushant's life. His world was much broader. He was a National Physics Olympiad winner and 7th rank holder in AIEEE. He had a wide array of interests, including physics, mathematics, literature, parallel space, and what not. He loved to gaze relentlessly at the stars. He even had a telescope. He carried that telescope during the shoot of Sonchiriya so that he could view the stars in a clearer way. While others are struggling to grab a land on this planet, Sushant got himself a piece of land on the moon. Notably, the glamour world survives on dreams and dreamers. Many men and women come to the city of dreams with a desire to achieve something. They aspire to become actors. Many of them fail. Only a few succeed. And Sushant Singh Rajput was definitely one of them. He gave his 100% and achieved whatever he wanted to achieve. But even after achieving whatever he wanted, there remained an emotional void. And that was exactly with what he was struggling for the last few days of his life. The late actor was the smallest of all his siblings and the most pampered one in the house. But it didn't make him a spoiled brat. He was extremely studious and he was studying at the Delhi College of Engineering, but he did not complete his course. Before completing the course, he realized that he wanted to be an actor and set forth to fulfill his dream. He joined Shamak Dawar's dance class in Delhi. He even joined a theatre class. He enjoyed performing in front of the audience. According to an article published in Filmfare magazine, he joined Nadira Babbar's troupe Ekjute when he came to Mumbai and loved doing theatre in the city as well. He broke into the ad circuit and began doing commercials. His first offer came with Balaji's Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil, and he won hearts within no time. And then he grabbed the offer of Balaji's Pavitra Rishta in 2009, and it became a game changer for him. He quit the show in 2011 to try his luck in film. He even participated in reality shows like Zara Nach Ke Dikha 2 and Jhalak Dikhla Ja 4. His film career began with Abhishek Kapoor directed Kai Po Che in 2013. The film proved to be a critical and commercial success. But he got the biggest hit of his career with the film MS Dhoni The Untold Story. Well, the actor was very excited for Pani and Chanda Mama Dur Ke, but both the films could not happen. Pani was supposed to be a really high-budget film under the banner of Yash Raj Films. On the other hand, he was very eager to play an astronaut in Chanda Mama Dur Ke. It is even said that he sponsored 2 school children's trip to NASA so that they could fulfill their dreams. Well, box office reports might rate his film as hit or flop, but he has really created history within a short period of time. The actor is now with the stars among the stars, and his demise is nothing but a celestial homecoming.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
हाय, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.